Oh, great.
All right, it's 6 o'clock. Just got to the hospital. Just dropped Jamie off. Had to stop. Well, was trying to get a bagel, but the bagel store wasn't open. I guess they decided that they're non-essential. All right, bro, I get it. Like, it's snowing, but like, you don't have to be doing like 3 miles an hour. Come on now. Let's see if this bagel store is open. It's almost 7 o'clock. Whoa! And the verdict is, they are open. Let's park right in the middle. Nothing like a good old New York bagel, man. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. This guy running across the street. Oh, he's stinking stuck.